Hello guys, I'm Rohan Thomas Stephen and today I'm going to show how to make the easiest game on Scratch. So if you don't know what Scratch is an online programming language that is developed by MIT Media Lab for kids. So let's click Scratch Imagine Program, and by the way, I'm recording this video with OBS screen recorder. Okay, if you want to see my projects, you just have to type my name. So here my name is Lightning Bolt 1733. So if you type in my name just like that and enter, you can see all my projects. And now I'll do a quick demonstration on what we're going to do today. So let's see inside and there. Okay, so our player, our player can go left, right, up and down. Okay, now let's finish this. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, and this is what we're going to do today. Now, let's see how to make this. So let's go back, and on the home screen, when you get into Scratch's home screen, you can see this Create tab. Let's click that. Okay, so first thing we want to do is delete this cat sprite. We don't want that. So here is the choose sprite one. Let's choose a new one. And okay, I want the Gobo, so let's type it in. Gobo. Okay, Gobo. This is our sprite. Now we want the maze. So if you want to draw the maze, you can just press this paintbrush, but if you don't want to, you can just upload it from the internet. But I already have my maze, so let's just open it and start coding. There, so this is our maze, and now let's click the Gobo. And we don't want the Gobo to be this big. Let's change it to the size of 20. Okay, so yeah, this is good. Now we want to draw on the maze the starting point and the end point. So if it says convert to vector, click that, and then you'll be on vector. If it says convert to bitmap already, then it's okay. On convert to vector, there's a lot of options. We want that. So let's just click this circle option and fill the saturation 100, and let's turn it to green. You can use whatever color you like, but I'm just going to turn it into green. And yeah, an important thing is you don't want the outline to be black. If the outline is black, then it won't work. So let's just brightness 100, and let's set it also to green. Okay, now let's draw our first circle over here. Oops, let's make it a bit more big, and let's make our second circle here. Okay, so this is our starting point and end point. Okay, that should do, and we don't want that, that's why I deleted it. So let's rename this to maze. Yeah, okay. And let's now go back to the gobo and let's start adding some code. So first we want to go to the events and drag a when flag clicked. So when flag clicked is when this flag is clicked, the things under this will do it. This will show itself its actions. So let's then go to motions, and let's take a go to. So this is for, we want to start the gobo over here. You don't want to just go to some random place. So there. So if you move the gobo and put it there, like anywhere you want, it'll show the coordinates of its place. So it's 228 and minus 28. This is almost the same. So let's just keep it like this. Go to x 226 and negative 23y. And now we are going to go to the control and take a forever loop, then another if then, and then let's put it inside the forever loop and go to operators, take an OR block and then go to sensing. Let's take a touching color block and put it in the first shape in the OR operator. So we don't want it to be olive green. So let's click this icon here, and once the small square in the middle of that circle is over one of the lines on your maze, just click it and then it'll be black. Okay, and then on the second one we want to say touching color black or touching edge. So now let's put this inside this small shape in between the if and the then. Okay, so when flag clicked, the gobo will go to here, and forever it will check that if it's touching color black or touching edge, then it will do. So what we want him to do is go to motion, let's take a turn clockwise and put it inside this if then, and then let's change it to 180, and then let's take a move 20. Sorry, actually I think it'll be okay if it's move 10 steps. Just move 10 steps, and yeah, that's the end of this script. And now let's take another script. So let's go to events again and another when flag clicked, then control forever, another forever loop. Let's say if sensing key, let's put this inside between the if and the then, that small shape. If key, you can put now this is the movement script. So yeah, this script is so that the gobo doesn't go through the maze. This is for the gobo to move. So our game needs some movement, that's why there is. So you can put left arrow or any key you want, but I'm more used to the QWE space movement. So it's your choice which you want to, but I'm just going to say if key Q pressed, then we want it to motion, turn, sorry, not turn, point in direction left. So it's -90, which means it will point to the left, and then it will only point. We don't want it to move, so let's take a move. A move 3 steps should actually be fine. So a move 3 steps, and now let's right click on the if, only on the if, and then let's right click, and then there's this duplicate option. Click that, and the same thing comes again. We don't want it to be key Q again. We want it to go up. So your choice of button, I'm going to select W for this. So for this it's going to go up, so we want it to point towards up, so 0, and then move 3 steps. So let's duplicate again. So sorry, no, we don't want it to run, and let's duplicate it, and let's put it over here. Okay, so now we have 4 movements, but we don't again want this to be Q and W. So let's change this. We want it to go right, so I'm going to select E, and so for E we want it to go right. Okay, so 90, so point 90 and then move 3 steps, and then the last movement down. So I'm going to say space, then point in direction 180, so then he'll point downwards, and then do it. Okay, let me just do a finishing touch to my maze. I'm just going to make it a bit bigger, on some parts. So like, make sure that your gobo can go through it, or else it cannot go much. Okay, wait, why isn't it rubbing? Okay, I think actually this might be enough, I don't think I need to change it. So now let's click this, and then it'll go full screen. Now let's click the green flag, and now let's see if our project works. Yeah. And yeah, it does work. If you wanted to make it a bit more harder, you can take it in a longer path, but I'm just going to make it easy. You can just just like I told you, you can copy and paste from the internet. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching. And if you like this video, like, share and subscribe this video. If you have any doubts, comment down below. On the next video, I'll be doing another game on Suraj. See you next time. Bye.